So what's going on, and welcome back. I wanted to do a quick little trial run of the paint restoration project on my daily driver 89 foxbody. As you'll see in this video, I am terrible at it and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm at a complete loss. So anyway, watch the video, maybe you'll get some laughs out of it, and yeah, you'll probably laugh. Maybe I'll laugh tomorrow, but not today. All right, stick around. All right, so this is just after the clay bar. This is clay bar only. See if I can get it's hard to tell the difference. But I just did the center section of the hood. Clay bar only, and here's a good shot of the difference. It's just with the clay bar, you can already see it's starting to shine up. And then you can feel how smooth it is, you don't hear anything. And then you hear it there. That is wild. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so like an idiot, I decided I wanted to try the paint restoration, give it a little try. And first of all, I made a mess. Second of all, it's extremely hot out here. Third of all, I don't know what I'm doing. So I let the car cool down. I opened up the hood, get the heat off of it. I just wanted to do the center section. Whoops. Just wanted to do the center section of the hood. And yeah, messed it up. Well, I won't say messed it up, but I don't think it's the right conditions. It's too hot. There's still too much heat in the hood, so bear with me. I'm just trying to get this product off the windshield, and I'll show you what it looks like. So let me show you the best part. Let me get a good angle. You're right here. Anyway, let me just flip the camera around. So there you go. The bottom part here is kind of where I left off at. The cutting compound is like, man, I don't know if it's just me, if it's the pad, or I just don't know what I'm doing. But you want to grab, and I guess you're supposed to kind of wet the pad with something. I didn't know that, so I have to do some more research and maybe hold this project off for a little bit until I figure out what the heck I'm doing. But so this spot up here is the cutting compound, the polish, and then that was done with the machine, and then the final show car glaze by hand. Got to about halfway down the hood, but I mean, it's got to shine. So if I could just figure this out, how to do it, then maybe we get somewhere. I mean, you can see this paint, it's pretty rough. You can see shine under the surface, but look at that. You even got the reflection of the GoPro in there. I don't know, it looks pretty good, you know. It looks better, way better, obviously, but you know, I don't know. I just hope I can figure out, you know, how to do it. How to use the equipment correctly. And I just really hazed my windshield by wiping it with the, oh my goodness. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing with this. This is ridiculous. I think I'm gonna stick to drag racing. I'm gonna leave this kind of thing to the professionals. But I don't know, hey, look at that. A huge difference right there. And that's pretty wild. That is pretty cool. Like I said, I might hit up a couple of these guys. I think it's a G-Funk Express. I'm gonna hit him up, I think. Because he's doing, I think, his whole car, his whole fox body. So I am definitely gonna hit him up and pick his brain, because I think I probably about screwed this up. But she's smooth. It's nice, it's shiny. But I want to do it right, so anyway, enough of that. So this is the preview, I guess, to the project. I'm gonna have to do some more research and really dig into how you do this. I'm clueless, and then, you know, I figured I watched enough videos, and then, you know, I could give it a shot, and it would just happen. But that's not the case. Not the case at all with this. So yeah, so I'm gonna do some more research and hit some people up. So anyway, hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. You want to stick around and see if I screw this up or if I get it done right. And we'll see you on the next one.